So I read through, there are so many female questions because as females, we got a lot going on.
No,
A lot going on.
no, don't be so
Okay.
hard on yourself.
So this episode is to make the men out there have a little bit more
Oh, let's
patience
not
for
turn it into
us.
a men versus women
It
thing.
is though. I mean, it's just, this
We
will be
put up
good
with-
for everybody to just
put up with a lot.
understand what we go through. And
Okay.
I'd also like to point out that a lot of the problems in female lives start with the beginning MEN.
Wow.
Yeah. So
There's
we're going
not
to
much
start.
that Dr. Sarda can do about
We're going
that.
to start with menopause.
Can't fix that.
Oh, wow. Did you
Menopause.
just make a funny menopause?
So yes, menopause was one of the main ones. Like all these females are like, all the questions. What is it? What does it mean? What are the symptoms? How am I going to feel? How do I get through it? So I also would like to know this because I'm 45 years old and I'm terrified of it. And I think that you have such great knowledge of it in calming our patients down and helping these women get through this miserable time in our lives to make it not so uncomfortable and awful.
No, exactly. I think if I want to say anything, it doesn't have to be that way. No longer are the days you're just getting older, or this is just what happens, or you're past your prime. I mean, it's terrible. I mean, it's terrible.
And so they don't have to deal with it. I mean, there's things that we
Absolutely
can do to
not.
treat it.
Absolutely not. You do not. There are ways to eat. There are hormones that you can take. It's all about balance. So I think if I could sum it all up in one word, as long as you're in balance, this isn't going to be a miserable process. And as long as people around you are helping you recognize maybe that these men, maybe recognizing that you're different or that something is out of balance, rather than get so frustrated with it, let's go figure out balance.